want to say thank you to all of you for coming down. Many people have come from out of town, and as well as those of you who live here at the property.
We have a lot of stakeholders, partners, and friends that helped push this project through.
I sit now on the Board of Commissioners of the Housing Authority. We made a promise 15 years ago in the days and weeks and months after Hurricane Ike, and it took us 15 years to live up to that promise. You moved a whole lot faster than the Housing Authority, Chris, and thank you for your commitment and your leadership.
This property, has seen some tough times, and just to see the transformation, not just to the property, but to the community. We're very thrilled to be here.
This community, I live in it, I grew up in it, and I grew up in this particular unit here with many different names. So now we're to Sandpiper Cove. I know several people who live here. Not only that, but several people who are very pleased with the transformation here.
I was talking with the director of St. Vincent's House, and she was explaining to me some of the supportive services that are being worked on here to try to be able to help assist the residents to have access to things that help lift them up into a better position.
It's home to a lot of people who are workers. They are educators. They have children who are in school. So what you've done is a great thing for families. And I want to say thank you. I know it was a long journey, but it was a journey well worth it.